I'm going to teach you how to do the 3-point turn today. Okay, so for the 3-point turn, this is also quite basic. This is the most important things that will help you to do it. If you don't do it perfectly, it's okay. There's just a few things that you've got to be careful of. Use your space and make sure that you look at your wheels when you need to make sure that you know where you're going. Okay, so first up, we are observing and indicating to the right because your 3-point turn is 3 movements. Clutch in, first gear. Clutch control, full check, 2, 3, 4, 5, and handbrake goes down. And as my car moves off, I just keep the clutch. I'm going to make sure before I turn, I check my blind spot and I turn my wheels as sharp as I can. And it's okay if you cross your hands. If you can, straighten up before you stop. Handbrake, neutral. Ideally, straighten your wheels before you stop, but if you couldn't, it's okay. You can now quickly straighten them. You'll lose a few points, but it's okay. As long as you did your full observations and you did your checks and you're not rolling and you're not bumping anything, you should be good. All right, second movement, we're going to be reversing and taking our boot a little bit to the left. Clutch in, reverse. Little bit of clutch control, gentle, full check. Always just that little bite. And now as I'm locking my wheels to the left hand side, I'm checking my right blind spot and check the pavement that I don't bump anything. Handbrake goes up and gear goes into neutral. Okay, last movement. So there I slightly turned my wheels. So I would have lost about 1 point for counter steering. It's okay. It's all right. We are observing now and we are indicating to the right. Clutch in, first gear. Clutch control, full check, and handbrake goes down. And last movement is to the right, so right blind spot again. And clutch goes in, gentle with the foot brake, and stop. Handbrake, neutral. Again, if you could straighten your wheels before you stop, great. If you couldn't, it's okay. You can always turn them as you go. I hope that helps you to pass your driving test with confidence. Now go outside and have a blessed day.